hero for a father. According to my father's notes, and this is my butler, and this is the help it has brought. Any questions? Our heroes! Are you up to the task? Are you? Because I trust my father. Besides, brave as lions and cunning as foxes. But I don't believe it will light until your work here is done. But my brother's life may be at stake. Captain, certainly. Do you have children? If so, even princesses can do what's right. Any sign of the Inya?
Has been taken.
He created the Hellseeker for one purpose.
He said I was to use it only in the gravest of circumstances.
Hero. He's a wonderful king.
His own creation.
I don't understand. I told you they were heroes. If we find out who the owner is, I'm sure they know how lucky they are.
Is it true?
It is imperative that we mount a rescue immediately. It's the Hellseeker.
It's from my father.
It's splendid to meet you.
My brother needs help.
My father brought you here for a reason, and your work here is not done. My father will be very pleased that his Hellseeker found you all. Ahoy, strange seafarers! Oh, yes. Oh, but he's much more than just an ordinary king.
Perhaps you're right.
Pirates have taken my brother. Please bring back... Let me see. Please come back. Princess of Monteria. Quickly, come on! Certainly. One moment. So, splendid.
Step aside, Willery.
Thank you. Then come! To find out more about this. The Help-Seeker brought you here, and only the Help-Seeker can send you back.
The Help-Seeker! The heroes! They're here!
The island! The red button brings help, and the blue button sends you home.
The situation is dire.
My uncle.
Then ask them about the owner of this cutlass.
Then there's only one thing to do. They're heroes! Sent by my father. They'll be your undoing.
This cutlass belongs to the pirate who took my brother. To bring help. We cannot turn back. We have our heroes to watch over us. We haven't much time. We must do whatever it takes to rescue my brother. We must sail for the island at once. We need help.
We need heroes that can save...
We need heroes. Well, gentlemen, are you ready for adventure? We've been waiting for you. What a marvelous strategy. Pretending you couldn't untie a knot. What brings you so far from shore in such a modest vessel? What cunning! What bravery! What do we need? Where are my manners? Where are you going? Well then, there's no time to spare. Well, while Sedgwick crept down to the gun deck. Wise, brave, but he always finds time for me.